Hence, when you're starting your business and you want to come with a unique name, one thing is you already have a name in mind, which is well and good. If you don't have, many of them, they try to figure out name which is catchy, which is easy for the customers to remember, and more importantly, it is available in digital space. So in today's video, you'll get to see how to find such a name. In case you already have a name, well and good. If not, you can take help of ChatGPT. Like I show you the prompt here. The prompt says generate a unique and catchy name for online tutorial platform. So here the business is into online tutorial, and the platform aims to provide high quality educational content across various subjects in a user-friendly format. The name should be short, memorable, and reflect the idea of central hub learning. So this is a brief prompt with which ChatGPT will come with name. If you are not satisfied with the name, you can go for revisions. You can just say, come with 10 more names. Okay. So this is one way to generate name for a business. If not, you also have website like Namelix where you can enter the keyword. Okay. And it will come up with some business name. And here you can choose an option whether you want to come with an auto or brandable name. So once you select these kind of details, okay, for example, I'm selecting this short phrase, then go next, and generation randomness, I'm choosing medium, and then next, then brand info, online tutorial. You can give more business description. I'll paste what I had written there and then generate. So here you see Namelix has given me various options, and it also has come with a logo design. Now I will go one step back and then I will come to this. What is that one step back? I will first go and check whatever name I'm liking from this, whether that name is available in online domain or not. So for example, let me show this extra help online. Okay. So extra help online. Once I type extra help online and I'm doing a search, here this website name checker. Okay. The link will be in the description. It immediately shows where all this name is available and where all it is not available. So this is one iteration through which you get to know whether the name what you're looking for is also available in digital space. Many people, what they do as a mistake is they go for a name and then they realize that the name is not available in online domain. And when you have name consistency, be it with your business name, then your online identity, whether on social media or a website, it's easy for your customer, it's easy for your consumer to remember only one name. So this step is a must. Once you come and do this, you get to know whether your name is available everywhere or not. Wherever you see this tick, right, these are available. And wherever it's doing a search, it looks like either they're not able to find the match or that is not available. Wherever it is not available, it immediately shows as unavailable. So this way, you get to know your name or your brand name's availability in digital space, and that way you're avoiding confusion even with the competition which is online. Now the next sensible thing to do is making sure that on the social media you go and sign up with the business name, be it Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, WeChat, TikTok. All of this, make sure you go and sign in. That way, you know that now everything is intact and it is with your business. For website, I use SiteGround as a hosting and even the domain name. Domain name is an name what you have given to your website with an extension like .com, .ca, .in, .org, etc. So you can check this out The link is in the description. By using that link, you can check out what they have as a discount and service. So make sure to check that out. And while this is done, the next step is to register your business. Okay, before we go further, this is Canva, which again, you must know. Here you have pre-made template for the logos. You can see here, you can customize just by going and clicking any logo which you like and then edit like how you do it in the PowerPoint presentation. I'm sure you would know about Canva. If not, you can come and try your hand. Here, you see all these logos. Whichever shows Pro is premium. You have to have a subscription. The one where it does not show, you can just go and edit the name. For example, once you select, customize the template, here you can just come and edit the name of your business. Okay. So it's very simple. You can check Canva too. And once you have edited your logo, you can just come and download. Your logo is ready. So far, whatever I have shown you is costing you nothing. You can do everything free of cost, whatever process I have shown till now. If you're trying to register business in Canada, then you can check out my video where a lot of people have successfully able to register their business by just going through this video. It takes not more than 30 to 40 minutes for you to set up your business, provided you have all the requirement. I have shown you exactly step by step how this is done. So this will also take care of your registration of incorporation. Then comes the trademark part. Again, for the trademark, I have made a video which takes you step by step process on how you can trademark your business and give a business identity with which you can go and compete with the world. Also, there is a dedicated playlist for business in Canada. You can see here, if you want to open a corporate trading account, be it a business plan, step by step, how to start a company on a budget, how to get a business number, and also filing your annual filing, which you have to do for your incorporation, that part, and then your tax return, which is a nil return in case you are not running your business for a particular year. So all this detail, right, is there in this YouTube channel as a playlist. In addition, on my website, I have organized everything for you to go and easily navigate and find what you want. You can check all of it, what is here, which is going to help you with your business setup. So friends, hope you find this video valuable. In case you have any questions, do use the comment section. If you have anything to ask, make sure to use the comment section and reach out. I definitely respond to the question like always. Thank you guys.